What's the easiest way to find Amazon FBA deals? That is the million-dollar question. And in today's video, I'm just hoping I might answer it for you. So welcome back to the Profitl YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you an easy way to find profitable Amazon FBA products. So the old-fashioned way of finding a product to sell on Amazon using the online arbitrage method is you go onto a website, you scroll through the website looking at products, finding the same product on Amazon and seeing if it is a potential good deal. So as you can imagine, it's incredibly time consuming. You can spend hours and hours looking for deals and potentially find nothing at all. And as with any business, time is money. So that is a big risk for a lot of people with their Amazon business. They don't want to spend hours and have absolutely zero results. But what if I told you there's a solution which automates all of this for you? Well, I'm pleased to say there is, and that is called DealFinder. So what DealFinder does, it scrapes all of the largest retailers in the UK and the US, looking for a low price on the source website versus a high price on Amazon. So if a product's £5 on Argos or $5 on Walmart and it's selling on Amazon for £20 or $20, that will automatically go into DealFinder as a potential deal. So as you can imagine, this saves a huge amount of time because that part of sourcing where you have to physically go through and compare the products together, you don't have to do that anymore. That's all done automatically by software, and it's why it's such a great way of sourcing your deals. So let me show you how this actually works and how you can utilize this for your Amazon FBA business and hopefully spend you a lot of time and therefore a lot of money. So here we are on a Profitl account and I've got access to DealFinder. So this is the DealFinder portal and this gets updated twice a week on Tuesdays and Fridays, so you've always got a fresh stream of deals coming through. Now you'll see the list of products just here. On the UK update, there was over 3,000 deals on the last update. You've also got a lot of customization with filters, so you can reduce down your search for products which suit your Amazon FBA business. But the way most people use this, they just work their way through each of the different categories. So we can see all the different categories here, and that's exactly what I do. I'll start on automotive and I'll work my way through. So not all of these products are going to be good deals once you've analyzed them, because of course there's a lot more which goes into buying an FBA deal than we can buy it for cheap and we can sell it for more on Amazon. There's all sorts of data we have to look at and analyze. But this is your first step for any FBA product is, can you buy it for less than you're going to be selling it for? What I'm going to do now, I'm going to spend 10 minutes looking through DealFinder and I'm going to show you some of the deals we actually find so you can see how it works. So I'll see you again in 10 minutes. So the first product we found which looked like it may have some potential, we actually found this just after a minute. It's this GT2 closed timing belt. So let's load up the product link and it on Amazon as well. So we can buy this for £2 each from Bargain Fox, but it's selling on Amazon for £6 each. So what does that mean for us profit wise? Well, let me just look at the Profitl Chrome extension. So 96% return on investment, £1.92 profit per unit. Not a massive seller on this one, but it definitely looked like it had good potential. The next product we found was this Q Connect highlighter pen pack of 10. So let's load it up on Ryman and then the Amazon link as well. So this one we can buy for £2 each. And it's selling on Amazon for £7.56. We'll just have a quick look at the data on Profitl as well. Now this one's selling loads, 444 times a month, but it is a variation listing, so just bear that in mind. The sales are going to be split. But another great ROI, 102% return on investment, £2.04 profit per unit. Amazon do sell on this listing, so it's just something to bear in mind, but it does definitely look like it's got potential. And then the third product we found was in toys and games, and this was actually another one from Ryman. So it's this Rosette Unicorn toy. So this one we can buy for £4.49 and it sells on Amazon for £12 at the moment. So let's have a look at all the data on Profitl again. So 55 sales a month, again a variation listing, is just something to bear in mind. 54% return on investment, £2.44 profit per unit. So 54% ROI is great. Typically we aim for 30% as a minimum, just allows us a bit of wiggle room with our prices. So we hope you can see there why using DealFinder is a great and very easy way to find profitable FBA deals, and mostly just because it saves you a lot of time with your sourcing. Now, of course, you don't have to use software to find your FBA products, but if you are new, it can really help you with your journey, even if it is just to learn new websites, because there is so many websites out there which you probably never heard of, which you can look for online arbitrage deals. It is a great way to learn new websites. Now, if you were interested in trying DealFinder, we do have an exclusive discount code for our YouTube viewers. We'll make it pop up just here. That's going to save you either 20% on monthly plans or 5% on yearly plans. And yearly plans already have over 50% off. You can also find that down below in the description, so make sure to take that down if you did want some help with sourcing products. So there we have it. That is a great and easy way to source your products. We hope you've taken value from that video. If you did, please do hit that subscribe button. It really does help our channel grow. We post out Amazon FBA videos every Thursday, totally free, trying to teach you all about Amazon FBA and hopefully save you from a lot of the mistakes we made when we first started on this journey. But that's all for today. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you in the next one.